Assalamualaikum, this is Posh, and today I'm going to show you a different tutorial. And the tutorial about how to download songs from a mobile app called Star Maker. And here I've been using LD Player, the mobile emulator on my PC, and here I have some apps installed, mobile apps actually. So I'm gonna download songs from Star Maker here. So I'll open Star Maker, and on my profile you see I have few songs, and I'll download one of them. And to do so I have to open my browser, and here I'll visit starmakerdownloader.com, and this is the website. And now on my StarMaker app I'll open any of my songs, and the song I would like to download is this one, I think. So to download it I have to play the song. So I think you have heard the sound, and here you see this is an option for sharing. Just click here, and here you see some options, and just click this option, copy the link, and link has been copied. And now paste the link here, just paste and submit the link, and you see here I have got the audio. Here you see I have my download manager that has been detected the sound. If I click download this video and start download and open folder, you see here I have got the song, and this is actually a MP4 file, that means a video file. If I play this, you see I got the sound, and that was my object, to get the sound anyhow. And now if I convert this into MP3, and it will be an audio song. And let me show you how to do this. I'll just change this direction, and then you can convert it using any converter. I'll use Zilli video converter, and here I'll add the file, and here I have already selected the profile MP3, and now I'll just start. And my conversation has been started. And conversation completed, and I'll open the location. Here you see if I So I think you have learned something from this tutorial. I'll give all the link on my video description that you can do it yourself. And if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe me and put a lot of comment. I have other tutorial about Adobe Flash and Excel, and this is a different tutorial. I don't know why I build this, I make this tutorial, but I thought that it would help you. So if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe me and put a lot of comments, share this video, so that other people may get benefited with this tutorial.